Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir T7. In this video I'll show you what is and how to enable HardTrigger mode. HardTrigger mode disables analog input of your triggers. Thanks to this, the trigger acts like mouse click instead of the lever. To enable it, let's go to Nexus App and go to Profile, Configure and go to Triggers. Find HardTrigger and switch it to enable or disable this function. And here is the difference. This function is great in some FPS games. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.